Number 4 is Creality Ender 3 Max Neo 3D Printer. In today's world of boundless creativity, searching for the perfect 3D printer to bring your artistic vision to life can be an exhilarating adventure. Look no further than the remarkable Creality Ender 3 Max Neo 3D Printer, a true gem among its counterparts and a dream come true for sculptors and enthusiasts alike. This magnificent machine possesses an expansive build volume measuring a remarkable 11.8 by 11.8 by 12.6 inches, providing ample space to materialize your grandest ideas into reality. Whether you aspire to craft imposing statues or intricate masterpieces, this printer allows you to unleash your imagination in full glory. What sets the Ender 3 Max Neo apart is its unwavering stability. Equipped with dual Z-axes, synchronized with the flawless coordination of timing belts and dual motors, every motion is a testament to precision and excellence. Say goodbye to shaky prints and hello to flawlessly executed artwork that astounds onlookers. The Ender 3 Max Neo understands that safety is always a priority. Its high-quality 350W built-in power supply guarantees reliability without any exposed parts or wires. Should an unfortunate power failure occur, fear not. If you are interested in the fantastic 3D printer, check out the link in the description box to buy it. Number